What do lemons, soap, and your stomach have in common? They all have pH levels, and today, we're diving into the tangy, soapy world of acids and bases. Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever tasted something super sour, like lemon or vinegar, and felt your face scrunch up? That's probably an acid at work. Or, have you ever used dishwashing soap and felt it was slippery? That's probably a base. So what exactly are acids and bases? Scientists use something called the pH scale to measure how acidic or basic something is. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, that's pure water. Anything below 7 is an acid. The lower the number, the stronger the acid. Anything above 7 is a base. The higher the number, the stronger the base. Let's meet some real-life examples. Acids: lemon juice, pH 2, vinegar, pH 3, stomach acid, pH 1, super strong, soda, pH 3. Acids often taste sour, and they can react with metals or even break down food in your stomach. Bases: baking soda, pH 9, soap, pH 10, 11, bleach, pH 13, yikes, toothpaste, slightly basic, pH 8. Bases usually feel slippery, and strong ones can be dangerous, but weaker ones help clean your dishes, brighten your clothes, and even fight mouth acid. Now, how do we test if something is an acid or base? We use indicators. These are special substances that change color depending on the pH. The most famous one is litmus paper. Blue litmus turns red in acids. Red litmus turns blue in bases. You can even make your own indicator using red cabbage juice. Pour some in vinegar, it turns pink. Pour it in soap water, it turns greenish-blue. It's like color-changing magic, but it's science. Now here's something really cool. Our bodies depend on the right pH to survive. Your blood has to stay around pH 7.4, just slightly basic. If it goes too high or too low, it can be dangerous. Plants also need the right soil pH to grow. Too acidic or too basic, and they won't thrive. Even fish in aquariums need the water pH just right to stay healthy. This is why farmers, doctors, chemists, and even chefs use pH knowledge every day. When you brush your teeth after eating sour candy, you're fighting acid. When you clean with baking soda, you're using a base. So, acids and bases aren't just scary chemicals. They're part of your daily life. Let's recap. Acids: Jockshire pH 7, sour, reacts with metals. Bases: Jockshire pH 7, bitter or soapy, good for cleaning. Neutral: Jockshire pH 7, like pure water, pH scale. Jockshire measures how acidic or basic something is. Indicators like litmus paper and cabbage juice help identify them. And now, your science challenge. Try testing different household items with adult supervision, using red cabbage juice or litmus paper. Can you find 1 acid, 1 base, 1 neutral substance? Comment below with your results. And remember, understanding pH helps keep your body healthy, your environment clean, and your food delicious. If you love this colorful experiment, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us next time when we dive into chemical reactions. What happens when substances change for real? Stay curious and keep exploring the science behind everything you taste, touch, and clean.